Gonzo. Are you going to be a good bird today? Are you my good Gonzo? Maybe. Hoot hoot. Hoot hoot. It's alright. Nobody's going to hurt you, ever. Yeah. What is your story, little one? What are you doing, Gonzo? Keeping an eye on me, huh? Have we regressed? We have. We've regressed. Yeah, I know. Gonzo. For one thing, I don't like you that close to the edge. For another, I want to pet you. Now I'm happy. Yay, Gonzo. Thank you. Thank you, Gonzo. Now I'm happy. Yay, Gonzo. Yay, Gonzo. That's my boy. Gonzo, Gonzo, Gonzo. Good boy. That's my Gonzo.